Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be putting on some trim here, some satin red trim. It's going to look pretty cool. Comes with a little tool so it makes it easy to install it, which is awesome. I didn't know it was going to come with that. So let's go ahead and get to it. Thing is, they actually make it really easy to open. It literally just, of course, it literally just opens just like a bag of potato chips or something. And it's got a sealing factor here too. Just pull it out. I got it out of the package here. It's a really cool color, you can see. So basically what we're gonna do is I'm just going to stick this in the slot here because it's got this backing. It makes it very easy to just slide it into the spot that you want it, and then you can just push it in. And then if you need to, for some tough spots here, just take your tool and just give it a little push. Once you got it snug where you want it, just go ahead, give the areas that you need in there some reinforcement. Fits very tight. I got the upgraded version of it because I didn't really like it not having a backing that would fit straight into the area that you wanted to put it into. So I think it just gives it a little cleaner look than the other versions that I've saw online. Put this over here. This is probably one of the easier modifications that I've done to the car so far. And it could quite possibly be one of the best that I've done. For looks anyways. Stuff off of Amazon. I can put the link down below in the description. So just go ahead and click the link if you want to get this stuff. It comes in a multiple of different colors. So if you guys are interested in this stuff, you can either hit me up or just click the link. And it really just takes a little snug push and it fits right in, which is really cool. It's already starting to look awesome. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the finished product of the trim around the gauges and everything, which is pretty freaking cool. And it looks super custom. Goes well with the red here, goes well with the red in the gauges. Gives it a very custom look. I like it. Let's do another piece, see how it turns out. Alright, now we're doing the center console here. This part's a tighter squeeze than the other one. Still goes in, it's just tighter. So make sure you're working with the actual trim. Get it where you want it, and then just go with it. Don't fight against it. Your life would be so much easier. For this part, I made it so that I was already on straightaway, so I can basically just cut it right there and it'll fit right into place. Voila, perfecto. And I put it back to the back so you can't really tell, because your focus point is going to be up here. So a lot of people aren't really going to be looking towards the back of it. So yeah. Now we've got the front part done. We've got the center console done. It's time to move on to the door trim. We're going to do the door here now. You're gonna have to make several cuts to do the doors because of all the angles and the jags. You're gonna have to most likely cut right here, which I'm going to do, and then I'm going to take a piece, come up and around, cut here, and then I'm going to come from here and go around and then come up. So that's the game plan. We'll see how that turns out. And hand me scissors. And they give you 30 feet. I mean, you have an option of 26 feet and you have an option of 30 feet. I went with the 30 feet because I didn't know exactly how much I would need. And also it gives you the ability to kind of mess up a little bit and still have some to play with. So we're gonna try that right now. So we're gonna measure this up real quick. We're just gonna make a small cut right there. Gonna line that up with the door. This part's being stubborn. Alright, so basically that just takes a little bit of force to get it in the door. Once you get it in there, it's not too bad. So yeah, that's the first cut. Now let's go ahead and we'll do the outside of the door trim next. This one's just being a pain in the butt because it's upside down and it's got weight over here at the end. Let's go ahead and put that up and over there so that the weight isn't working against me. And it should be fine once I get most of it put in, because then it's going to just stay itself. So I have done the door panel, the dash, and I've done the center console, and I still have enough to do the passenger side door, which I'll do later, and I might even have a little bit to do the rear panels inside. So yeah guys, this is an awesome investment. It comes in any color you want it, and the highlights are crazy. Seriously, once I get some red seats in this car, it's gonna look crazy, guys. All right, so that has been today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next one.